Hey guys, it's G, and right here I have my first ever Inkwell purchase, and this is their brand new discbound system for 2018. I ordered this on Wednesday the 5th, 2018, which is the day that Inkwell's new products released, and it got delivered today, and it is Saturday, September 8th right now. So super efficient shipping, very fast, and I'm really excited to see how the discbound planner system is through Inkwell Press. So let's take a look and open it. Okay, so these are the discs that I ordered. Inside here should be the cover and the goals planner that I ordered. Ta-da! Says there's a family welcome guide, a note from Tanya, their core values, beliefs, what they stand for, planner, accessories, the Inkwell method, and the back. It's a really nice glossy brochure. This is a little card that says adventure awaits. So this would be great for Project Life, or you could punch it and stick it in your planner. Here's a little card that says lucky you, and then how to get started. I did order the pen loop, and here it is. This has a nice feeling, faux leather. Here is the goal planner. And here is the cover. This is a vegan leather cover, and I got it in, oh, I can't remember what color this is, but there were only two covers. There was this color, I want to say it's camel, I'm not positive. This color and the gray. This is really nice. It feels really good. There's a great texture on it. And this will match nicely with here. And then here are the discs. These are, let me see how big these are. Oh, they're plenty big. They're solid metal aluminum discs. I think that's going to look really good. I'm going to go ahead and put them on here. So this looks great on here. I love the color. It's great for fall. It has a really nice, rich texture and feel to it. So far, thumbs up. So let's take a look at the goal planner. So it comes with this plastic belly band. And on the cover, there is an Access Quick and Simple Setup video. And then here is the reflection section. First steps that you need to do in order to get your goals accomplished, to evaluate where you are at the moment that you start. Priorities, life wheel. The paper feels really nice and thick. Place for vision board. Instructions how to set goals. And then there are these goal sheets that have the goal itself, and then their action roadmap. You have room for 10 goals, which is actually a lot. Lots of room. So that's the beginning of the section. Then, oh, I love this, yearly tracker, and it's divided between personal, home, and work. That is fantastic. Those are the three areas that I really target, and I love that it's all in one place. I also like that it's undated. I'm actually going to start here in September. I don't have to wait until January, even though January is here. It's okay for me to start here, so I appreciate that that's like set up like that. And here is January. Oh, this is so fantastic. Checkpoint, habit tracker, and then download this month's accomplishments. So that is the same for each section. And these are undated, so I can just start here in September. Oh, that's great. I also know that there are quarterly check-ins, so let me show you that. Right, goal 1 check-in. So it was impossible, difficult, okay. Successes, good, not so good, focus for quarter 2. Some adjustments, the life wheel check-in, and a productivity matrix. Guys, super impressed. I mean, this is fast, efficient, very clean, very clear. The paper is nice, and it has everything I need and nothing that I don't. So I'm going to load this up into the cover. And I'm not going to load all of it because I'm actually going to start using this right away. So let's see. That looks great. Very secure. Closes nicely. I like it. Okay, now for the thing that I'm really curious about, which is how does this work in comparison to the Happy Planner and the Happy Planner accessories, and can I mix the two? Because I am using a Happy Planner for planning, I am using the Happy Planner discbound system just for my regular work items. So let's see how this will fit. So this is a system that I've been using this fall for planning. This cover is the Happy Planner notebook that I got from Joann's Make Every Day Count. And inside, because I tried to pare it down to just one notebook that I carry around with me, inside I have the calendar system from this student planner. So I have the Post-its. I just have a couple months here. And then the rest of this I just use as a notebook. So there's material here for 2 of the projects that I lead, and then some information that I need for work. I'm not going to show you because it's private, but that's all in one convenient notebook. So I was really hoping that the Inkwell Planner stuff will fit in so I can carry everything at once. So let's say all I want to do is take this section with me. Does it fit? Okay. Yeah. That's going to work out perfectly. That is so interesting. So the Inkwell Planner pages are a little bit shorter than the Happy Planner, but it's not bad at all. That is not going to bother me in the least. What is the size of this versus this? Let me measure it. This is 9 inches, and this is 7, and this looks like it's 9 1/4, and that's 7. So they're just off by 1/4 inch. So this will work out just perfectly. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm really glad they can mix and match. So now the next question is, can I put the Happy Planner pages into the leather-bound cover, and would those fit? I'm going to take a guess that they won't, but let me try. Doesn't that look good? Whoa! Oh my goodness, it fits. That is not bad, my friends. That is not bad. This looks so nice with this vegan leather. Wow! Now I don't know what to do for 2019. There's too many possibilities. It's like all my dreams are coming true. I can have really fun calendar, and then focused, clean, clear goals, and then room for a bunch of paper. I was a little bit nervous that I would buy this system and the Happy Planner things wouldn't fit in, and then I would have invested all this money into one system. And I really appreciate that this cover fits. And there's not too much of that overhang on here. There's just a little bit with the punch. It looks like the punches align okay. Alright, let me just sum it up here. This is the Inkwell vegan leather cover. in this brown color. I don't know the exact name, but I'll put the link in below. These discs are great. They're aluminum. They look fantastic. You can fit Happy Planner calendar pages inside this cover. The Inkwell Press paper, by comparison to the Happy Planner, feels a little bit smoother, just a little bit more high-end, a tiny bit, but they're both excellent. You'll be able to mix and match Inkwell Press things with Happy Planner things, and I think my whole system has just leveled up. So, summary, love it. I am really excited to see where I can go with this goal setting and how it will integrate into things that I already bought and already own. Okay, if you guys have any questions for me on this, feel free to comment below. This is just a real quick look. I might do an in-depth review later on, but I just wanted to get this up, so if you had questions about the system and how it integrated with Happy Planner, you get those answered. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Bye!